Hi, dear students. In this video, we will prepare some important questions of continuity for our board examination. What is continuity of a function at a given point? F is said to be continuous at a point x equal to a if and only if LHL at x equal to a equal to RHL at x equal to a equal to f of a. F is continuous at x equal to a if and only if LHL at x equal to a equal to RHL at x equal to a equal to f of a. So, to check the continuity at a point x equal to a, we have to find LHL and RHL and function value. If these three are equal, then it is continuous. Some functions, LHL and RHL separately no need to calculate. What type of functions? By taking examples, we can see that one. Now, you see this one. Check the continuity of the function f of x equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. 2x minus 3 if x greater than 2 at x equal to a, at x equal to 2. Okay, now here you see the function is 2x plus 3 when x is less than 2. The function is 2x plus 3 when x equal to 2. The function is 2x minus 3 if the function is x greater than 2. Now, we will find LHL. LHL at x equal to 2 equal to limit x dash to 2 minus, this is the notation for LHL, 2 minus means left side to 2 equal to limit, left side to 2 what function it is? 2x plus 3 x dash to 2. So it is 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 7. Now, we will calculate RHL. RHL at x equal to 2 equal to limit x dash to 2 plus means right side to 2 f of x. Right side to 2, what function it is? 2x minus 3. So it is 2 into 2 minus 3. That is 4 minus 3, 1. Are they equal? Here LHL is 7, RHL is 1. So LHL not equal to RHL. Therefore, the function is not continuous at x equal to 2. So conclusion we will write, the function is not continuous at x equal to 2. One more example we will see. Okay. Now our second example you see, check the continuity of the function f of x equal to x plus 1 if x greater than 1, 3 if x equal to 1, x square plus 1 if x less than 1. We have to check the continuity at x equal to 1. See, if you take the number line, the breaking point is 1 here. So, left side to 1, x less than 1, it is x square plus 1. Right side to 1, it is x plus 1. At exactly at 1, it is the 3. If you write like this, clearly LHL, RHL, you can find it. Now you see, LHL at x equal to 1 equal to, you know the notation now, limit x dash to 1 minus, 1 minus is not minus 1, 1 minus indicates that left side to 1 f of x equal to limit x tends to 1. I want to take left side function. What is that? X square plus 1. Now 1 square plus 1 is 2. Now what is RHL? RHL is limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, that is limit x tends to 1 right side function, that is x plus 1 equal to 2. See, LHL is 2, RHL is 2. So, here when LHL and RHL equal, we can tell limit is 2. Limit value exists and that is equal to 2. But what is the function value? See, f of 1 equal to, f of 1, what is the value here? 3. So, after equating LHL and RHL also, the common value is not equal to function value. So, you can write here LHL equal to RHL but not equal to function value. Therefore, f is not continuous at x equal to 1. In first example, LHL, RHL not equal, therefore no need to check at x f of a value. But here LHL and RHL are equal but not equal to function value, therefore it is not continuous. Next example we will see. Okay, now you see in third example, f of x equal to x cube minus 3 if x less than 2, 5 if x equal to 2, x square plus 1 if x greater than 2. We have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 2. Procedure same only. The result we have to see that. So, one number line you draw. What is the breaking point here? Yes, 2 left side x cube minus 3. Right side
x square plus 1
s1, and at 2 what is the value?
5.
That is f of 2.
5.
Now LHL I will write. LHL at what? X equal to 2. All of you know the notation. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. So limit x tends to 2. Left side function is x cube minus 3. So what is the limit? 2 cube minus 3. 8 minus 3, that is 5. RHL we will see that. RHL at x equal to 2 equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, that is limit x tends to 2. What is the right side function?
x square plus 1.
X square plus 1. This is 4 plus 1. 2 square is 4, no?
Yes.
Equal to 5. Now what is the function value? F of 2?
5.
5. You see here, LHL is 5, RHL is 5, function value is 5. So, LHL equal to RHL equal to function value f of 2 equal to 5k. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 2. So, by these three examples, you see that in first example, LHL and RHL not equal. So, no need to see the function value. In second example, LHL and RHL are equal but not equal to the function value. In third example, LHL, RHL and function value are equal. Therefore, it is continuous at x equal to 2. Some more important problems we will see that.